Want to represent yourself with cool calling card in Call of Duty but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to equip calling cards in Call of Duty. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by tapping on your profile, which is at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the basic from the left side of your screen. Then tap on your avatar. After that, tap on calling card, which is at the top of your screen. Here you have different options for calling card. Select the one that you prefer. Now click on show button. And that's how you can equip calling cards in Call of Duty. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.